Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Meta Business Suite how to change profile picture. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change your profile picture on Meta Business Suite, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Meta Business app. Then be sure to be logged in with your credentials as well. Now once you're logged into your account, in order to change your profile picture, all you gotta do is simply tap on the home icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you'll be seeing this edit profile icon. Simply tap on that. Now inside you'll be sent to profile management. Now simply tap on this edit option on your profile picture, and then once you tap on edit, you'll be seeing this select profile picture option. Simply tap on that, and now here all you gotta do is select this profile picture that you want, and then once you are done with that, all you gotta do is simply click on save on the top right corner of the screen, and you will be able to change your profile picture. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.